Fine detail performance. 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor with no low-pass filter resulting in a near 10% boost in fine detail resolving power over existing 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensors. Mirrorless interchangeable lens camera kit. With two super compact lenses 12-32mm f3.55.6 and 45-150mm f4.05.6, shoot lighter and faster with the modern hybrid photography performance of a mirrorless camera and nearly half the bulk of most DSLRs. Class-leading dual image stabilization. In-body 5-axis dual image stabilization works in both photo and motion picture recording, including 4K video, to produce clear handheld shots even in low-light conditions. Battery AC adapter, input 110 to 240 volts AC, included, connect with USB cable. Battery life, CIPA standard, approximately 290 images, rear monitor, 270 images, LVF, with H FS12032. Live viewfinder and tilting LCD display, integrated eye-level electronic viewfinder, 2764K dots, and rear touch-enabled 3-inch LCD display, 1040K dots, provides 80 degrees of up tilt and 45 degrees of down tilt to maximize viewing. Recording media, compatible with US Speed Class 3 standard SDHC/SDXC memory cards. Direct print picked bridge compatible. 4K video capture, 4K QFHD video recording, 3840 by 2160, plus exclusive Lumix 4K photo and 4K post-focus allows you to record photos up to 30 fps and set your desired focus points after the photo has been taken. Minimum aperture, f/22. Top reviews from the United States. I started my photography journey with Nikon cameras. I was looking to pick up a mirrorless for video projects and didn't want to break the bank. This Panasonic LUMIX GX85 bundle fit the bill. While MP count may be a touch low, image quality is outstanding. 4K video is buttery smooth and quite impressive for such a small, budget camera. It did take a couple of days to get used to the menu system and all the options available, but was well worth the time spent learning. Autofocus is a touch slow with the kit lenses, but honestly, that's to be expected. Looking forward to trying out some new lenses in the near future. Love it.